Hey everybody, what's going on? It's David down at Crosstown Auto Centre in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore, we have this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus in bright white, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. We have our halogen headlamps and our high beam and our turn signal there, lighting up the road in front of you with your honeycomb grille, blacked out headlamps, and your two fog lights on your front bumper. The Grand Caravan is running on 17-inch Yokohama Avid mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there for you. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims. You have mud flaps behind all four tires. Both driver and passenger mirrors are breakaway, and they're heated mirrors as well, so you can heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. Move inside here. Here's our door panel. We have storage down below with a cup holder, an LED light there lighting up the ground before you. You have your storage in the middle, leather padding for your arm. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and window lock. Driver and passenger windows are automatic. Nice silver styling. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support, and you have cloth seating throughout. Very comfortable seats to sit in, and you have adjustable seatbelt height. Depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Adjustable armrests for both seats up front. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hand. You do have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. And it's a tilt steering wheel as well, dimmer switch, and your headlamp switch right there for you. And you actually have an umbrella holder right beside the driver's seat. You do have power sliding doors, like so. And you have a pocket on the back of the driver's seat, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. You have a little storage compartment down below here with two cup holders. It pulls right out for you. And look at how much space you have. Excellent. You don't want to use it, no problem. You can easily just push it back down into the middle console. Up above, you do have a fold down LCD screen and your rear climate control switches there. Push that, the screen tilts down for you, and your passengers can plug in their PlayStation or their Xbox and play all their favorite games on that LCD screen or watch a movie. And you have a 12-volt power outlet there down below, and adjustable armrests for the middle row seating as well. And the seats flip up like that so you can get into the rear seat area. And it's very spacious back there, and you have cup holders on both sides, adjustable air vents, and your convenience light is up there as well. And the seat easily just folds back up like so. Very nice. Pull the handle once and the door will automatically slide closed for you. You have LED tail lamps on the back of this Dodge Grand Caravan, your rear window wiper. You even have a spot for your trailer hitch, allowing you to pull a trailer with this Grand Caravan. There's your backup camera. You have a handle right here that opens up your lift gate. You have lots of space back here for many different things. Step 1, headrest goes down. Step 2, backrest goes forward. And step 3, it unlatches it. And step 4, you pull it straight back like that, and it folds right down into the rear storage area. You do have stow and go seating, little storage compartment there on the left. Press this button and the power lift gate comes down for you. And it's very nice to watch it do that. With stow and go seating, when all the seats are folded down into the floor, which you can do that, it gives you more space than a box of a truck, which is pretty amazing. Pull the handle once and your power sliding door opens right up for you. And underneath here, you do have in-floor storage, and you can easily lift up this cover and the seats fold down. Just put the armrests up like this, pull the handle on the left side, boom, flips up, just give it a little push, and it goes right down into the floor, and you can pull the cover back, and now it's in the floor and out of the way. Now that's stow and go seating. And I did have to move the passenger seat forward completely and able to do that. You have handles on both sides, so your passengers can easily get inside this van. And that's pretty awesome. Pull the handle once, or you can press a button right there to close the power sliding door. Passenger side, passenger seat is manual adjustment. Storage down below with a cup holder, your LED light lighting up the ground before you. Storage in the middle, leather padding for your arm, power locks, power window switch. You have an upper glove box with a USB port in there so you can plug in your devices, and you have a lower glove box with your manual in there and lots of other goodies, and you can lock that lower glove box if you have important documents in there. It's absolutely gorgeous interior. Let's go take a look inside. Now I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus. You have cruise control on the right, Dodge badge in the middle looking nice. You have voice recognition and Bluetooth buttons there on the left. And using buttons on the left side of our steering wheel, we can go through our driver information center. And first you'll see we have 22 kilometers on this van. That's it. So come to Crosstown today and see if this is going to be your next everyday driver. You have your Trip A calculator. Hold the reset button, you can reset it. You have your Trip B calculator, which you can also reset. You have your distance still empty, digital speedometer, liters per 100 kilometers, your fuel economy, outside thermometer, and back to your odometer. And if you open any door on this Grand Caravan, it will let you know that door is open. You have a backup camera that appears when the Grand Caravan is reversed on your touchscreen Uconnect system. You have your manual shift mode there too, directional air vents. You have 2 USB ports down below here and a storage compartment, and you can always close the cover whenever you want. 2 big cup holders in the middle with bubbles to hold your cups into place. Another storage compartment there. You can put some change in there too. Look at this, another area. Have your economy button, hazards, 115 volt power outlet, traction control button, your 3-zone climate control with air conditioning, your rear window defroster, easy to use there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, fold down sun visor with a convenience mirror so you can see what you look like. Push button reading lamps up above, sunglasses holder there, and a mirror there so you can keep an eye on everyone sitting in the back seat area. Make sure they're behaving. You have your buttons for your power sliding door, your power liftgate, and you can also turn off your power sliding doors if you want. Vanity mirror on the passenger sun visor, and here's our touchscreen Uconnect system. Press the power button, it turns on. AM/FM radio with Sirius XM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station if you want. You got GPS navigation, you can view the map and see exactly where you are, and it also tells you how fast you're going. Feel free to put in any address to a place you want to go, and I'll show you how to get there. Press this button, the screen tilts down, exposing a CD player so you can play all your favorite CDs. You can adjust settings here for your system. You can adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer. You have a built-in hard disk drive, and you can store music on your system and pictures so you have them with you wherever you go. USB port here, which is excellent for charging devices. Auxiliary port, and that's just another way that you can play your music through the Grand Caravan speakers. By pressing the radio button, you can cycle between AM radio, FM radio, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Press the media button if you have any music on your hard disk drive or a CD in the CD player. Press that button and you can listen to all your favorite tunes, and you have a Bluetooth button and a voice recognition button on the system, and you can favorite your favorite song or artist on Sirius XM that may come across the radio, so it lets you know when that song is playing so you can listen to it. And visibility out the front window is excellent, and there's Crosstown Auto Center's Service Express Center. Overall, it's a very gorgeous interior. I love all the silver touching all around, the chrome around the air vents, and this is your key fob, unlock button, lock button, panic button, power sliding doors, and your power lift gate button too. It's all there for you, and you have a nice Dodge badge on the back, and it looks absolutely great. It is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus in bright white, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood, and it has cloth seating, stone ghost seating, GPS navigation, LCD screen, and so much more. I'm Man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.